In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a full chat in Microsoft Teams. If you're using Teams regularly, you might find that your chat list becomes cluttered over time. Whether it's a conversation you no longer need access to, or perhaps you'd like to tidy things up, knowing how to delete a chat can be quite useful. So, let's start with the first step by directing our attention to the Chat tab in Microsoft Teams. You'll find this icon conveniently located on the left-hand navigation bar. Simply click on it to open your chat list. Now that you have your chat list in front of you, the next thing you'll need to do is locate the specific chat you want to remove. This could be an individual one-on-one chat, a group conversation, or even a chat linked to a specific meeting. Take a moment to scroll through your list or use the search feature to quickly find the conversation you wish to delete. Once you've identified the chat, it's time to access more options for that conversation. To do this, hover your mouse cursor over the chat you want to delete in the list. As you do this, you'll notice 3 dots appear on the right side. This icon indicates More Options and is your gateway to managing individual chats in detail. Hovering in the right spot ensures you can see the options available to you. With the 3 dots visibly in sight, the next step is to click on them. This action will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll see an option that reads Delete Chat. Depending on the version you are using, you might also come across Remove Chat History. Both options essentially allow you to achieve the same outcome, which is clearing the chat from your list. Go ahead and select your preferred option to proceed. Now, before the chat vanishes from your list, Microsoft Teams will prompt you to confirm your choice. A dialog box will appear asking for confirmation before the action is completed. In this prompt, you'll typically find a button that could be marked as either Delete or Yes Delete. Click this button to finalize the deletion process, and there you have it. You've successfully deleted a full chat from your Teams account. This action helps in keeping your chat space organized and ensures that you're only left with conversations that are relevant to your ongoing teamwork and communication. Remember, while deleting a chat removes it from your view, it doesn't erase the conversation for other participants, so be mindful of this when managing your chats. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering Microsoft Teams.